In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add green screen in the Filmora editing app. So let's get started. First of all, open the Filmora app just like this. After opening the app, make sure you have added the photo or video that you want to edit, just like this. Now to add the green screen, tap onto the edit option right here. Now select it. Then scroll to your right. And here you can find the smart cutout option, now select it. Then here you can find the chroma key option, now select it. Now tap onto the circle right here and simply drag it, just like this. And now you can see the green screen has been added. Now tap onto the check mark. And now you can see the green screen effect has been added. And that's it. This is how you can add the green screen in the Filmora editing app. Now to add the green screen to other videos, simply do the same process again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.